In every flicker of light, in every current that flows, in every magnet that clings, lies a story. The story of the electromagnetic force. It's a tale as old as the universe itself, for this force is the great connector, the architect of form and the harbinger of life. Let us embark on an odyssey to understand this fundamental force, to see how it sculpts our world at every scale, from the subatomic to the cosmic, from the birth of stars to the technology in your hand. The electromagnetic force is one of the four fundamental forces of nature, and it is by far the most familiar to us. It's the force that electricity and magnetism are aspects of, a unified force described by Maxwell's equations over a century ago. These equations, a symphony of the relationship between electric and magnetic fields, tell a story of waves. They describe how changing electric fields produce magnetic fields and vice versa, and how these changes propagate through space as electromagnetic waves. From the radio waves carrying melodies to your car's antenna, to the visible light painting our world in color, to the gamma rays bursting from distant cosmic cataclysms, electromagnetic waves are the messengers of the universe. But the electromagnetic force is not just about the vast and distant. It's also deeply personal, functioning within and around you. It's the force that binds electrons to nuclei, forming atoms and molecules, the very building blocks of matter. It's the force that allows your neurons to fire, your muscles to contract, and your heart to beat. It's the force that enables the chemistry of life, the reactions that sustain us, the bonds that hold our DNA together. And yet, despite its ubiquity, the electromagnetic force is incredibly selective. Only charged particles feel its pull and push. This selectivity crafts the world of matter, determining the structure of atoms, the mechanics of chemical reactions, and the solidity of the ground beneath your feet. It's a force of infinite range, yet its strength can be shielded, harnessed, and directed. It's the force behind the revolutions that have shaped human history, from the spark of the first electrical machines to the global embrace of the digital world. In technology, we see the electromagnetic force in its most choreographed form. It powers our cities, it transmits our voices over miles, it stores our memories in electronic vaults, and it gives rise to the light that enables our digital screens to glow. And as we probe the cosmos, the electromagnetic force serves as our eyes. Telescopes capture light from the far reaches of the universe, bringing us images of the dawn of time, the life cycle of stars, and the dance of galaxies. But the electromagnetic force has its dark mysteries too. It's in the empty space between stars, in the dark matter that doesn't interact electromagnetically, and yet shapes the structure of the universe through its gravity. As we delve into the subatomic, we encounter the electromagnetic force as a quantum field, mediated by particles of light, photons. This quantum view opens up a world where light and matter are entangled in a quantum dance, where particles can be in multiple places at once and entangled over vast distances. The electromagnetic force invites us to question and to dream. It challenges us to understand its laws and to harness its power. It beckons us to imagine new technologies, new sources of energy, and new ways to explore the universe. In conclusion, the electromagnetic force is the great connector of the universe, a force that binds atoms, drives chemistry, empowers technology, and allows us to gaze upon the stars. It's a force that is both intimately familiar and profoundly mysterious. As we continue our journey of discovery, let the electromagnetic force be a reminder of the unity of the cosmos, a force that links the small to the large, the past to the present, and the known to the unknown. It's the vibrant thread woven into the fabric of the universe, a force that is essential, powerful, and ultimately the force that connects us all.